Hi, I am Sherry. Today I will show you a transform of buttercream to butter and buttermilk, yogurt, and Irish soda bread. The buttermilk is nearly the expire date, but don't worry about it. Just pour into the blender. Blend for about 10 seconds. It is whipped. Then pour another bottle of cold water into the blender and blend for about 1 minute. The butter is separated from the cream. We got a butter and also got a buttermilk. Shape the butter by hand. And weigh it. It is heavier than estimated because there is water inside of it. You can put butter on the heat and let the water evaporate. Then you can get butter without water. Cover the buttermilk with a cloth and let it ferment at room temperature or in an oven with a cup of warm water. I made it at room temperature and 2 days later I got sour buttermilk. Stir it to even and separate it into 2 batches. Pour 270 grams of it into a big bowl. We still have some left. Pour milk into the smaller batch of buttermilk. Also let it ferment for 1 to 2 days. Then we got yogurt. There is no sweetener in the yogurt. You can add some if you like. Now I highly recommend you to check this recipe, which is Irish soda bread. It is a kind of bread no need for any kind of cooking skills, for I think it is the simplest bread in the world. The ingredients are simple and easy to be found. No kneading, no fermentation. All you need to make is just mix all the ingredients well combined. And put the mixture into the mold. Just because there is so much water inside of it, so we need a mold to shape it. Although it is simple, it still tastes amazing. Soda bread is always served with butter and jam, also good with cheese and yogurt. I am Sherry. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell right beside the subscribe button, and then you will not miss any new videos in my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.